Okoji kwasi a small boy we be ma osika. Ituju so betima bit. On sende wa pempe metutu so na ohyeche. Obe bre fucking. Oyare ne starti. On sende obe bre fucking. Oyare ne starti. On sende baby abeko bia okodwo so kwa na ohyeche. Be say ebedu be muntumi tu chari biem. Bova go tiketwa. Me su be ko jail. Mo amudi na gina ojimi no no. Onda o. Our chronic heart problem. Or bre papa. Na dia ya ne say e meeting bia mu say sa meeting no John Mahama na Damfo na omontam sika emfama no na omoba Ghana gold zook edwuma no PMMC a and the gold board no ono na ye in charge on betina social media 10 seconds no one can say I don't know the president of Ghana anywhere. He's not a personal friend. I've never met him and had any discussion with him. Why do you think this boy is refusing to do that? Because Oyewi, that is what he did. As some muhu is simple sano saying come on stop boy we are. That would have been the end of Mahama's government. You have no idea. Internationally, and Kanamboy would soon come Mahama and only 5 months to Abemu. The whole Ghana would have gone down the drain. That boy we. Muwa sana making simple sana mewa. Anke nimguasian kodbeba Mahama no. Anka the international community, Dubai for Adibia and Kebesi. I had the relationship between Ghana and other countries on your business because of that boy. So sometimes me be I want to you have no idea. Senka ya intervene and a man stop boy we even though or status idea we na anka onim dia de we ade od be John Mahama anka John Mahama ko di 3 months aben mu kade be si no enimguase anka beto John Mahama na nke bi si da. But you see, God being on our side and God being so good and our intelligence being very solid, we were able to pick on this quickly. He's a thief. Nobody should give him room. And anytime I make a say, I'm start here now, defend it boy we. But some side into my ding. Kotifia, kotiketwa, bofa kotiketwa. Mumbusa ne say, mami busa mo question, munko busa bofa kotiketwa. The kotiketwa kotiketwa. Mumbusa ne say. Adentina show now or yefa boy we hu ebe keka nsam ebe chekire oba bi picture say adentina we delete free the page munko busa bomfa sa kwasia no obre fucking obeko jail my promise no between 10 to 15 years obeko jail wako delete show introduce say evidence in the court. I thought to say you were a man and that all the things you were saying okwaje boy we hu sika and obetina social media na ujimi. Go, the show he did on this boy, it was on the 8th of March. Go there. We delete the show, though. We delete the link, It is not going anywhere. We have been in this business for years. Nothing can escape us. Every evidence is intact. Be very careful because this will land you in jail. And it's a say, Oko police cybersecurity officer no DNC wo ho o sound to me kan ho asem ayoko court na wundi bem me say ubeko jail so we be mate say me why have you deleted that show na me jinsa wo say obeke kansam una oni moba no e na wo de ndien aden na wako delete show no aden na wako delete link no and no it does not mean say the evidence is gone but wako tiketwa we jimi ubeko jail oyire ho be yam mobo. Some police officers don't know more cybersecurity officer. No? There's one guy there, maybe a story. Another criminal police officer. He's one of the police officers of cybersecurity, Ghana Police Service, cybersecurity. There was one police officer there and now lawyer information. Kwasia, me say you can delete all the links, you will still go to jail. Adentina wunye bema, adena wu delete. Go on his page. On the 8th of March. Sa show no yeah no kansam. Okwaje kwasia small boy we be ma osika etuju so betu abit on send there wa pempe metutu so na ohyeche obe bre fucking o yare ne start on send there baby abeko bia okwadwo nso kwa na ohyeche me say ebedrum brebu ntumi tu chari biem bova go tiketwa me su beko jail mo amudi na gina ojimi ne ho no onda o our chronic heart problem or bre papa na yeah, you understand? Boys are not count when we are production. All of them will go to jail. Yeah, because they are all parts of the crime. And in the piano, number show number three. Bova go take it to her. Number three. With Jimmy. Me say I don't know what delete show no. Go to his page. It has been deleted. Yeah. Now what delete? I just echo baby. The evidence is there and it is clear. Enti bova ko tiketwa, prepare yourself for jail. You will go to jail. So with Jimmy. Boy wenti. Mo dia mo nim dia ba. Mo ko busa ne sade we delete show no. E na dia ohun fo bia ne nse. The bear market ticket said double bear ma me se mo busa ne se. Ade ne we delete sa show no. Wako YouTube ako edit show no. Ako yi sa part de film. Me say ko tiketwa ade na Facebook we delete show no forever and ever. Enko baby a o. Yani aye dwuma we ya che. Bova ko tiketwa kede Japan de me call court no. Me Facebook shows me delete ba akokra. Every link he picked, it was there. Till date, it is still there. You know why? Because I believe in the truth. No krenam di ejuma. Make it Japan de me ba court to America. Link be no me delete here. Every single link that they picked and added to their show, I was able to break down to provide evidence. Whoa, makachro, ubeko jail. Bova ko tiketwa, ubeko jail. Oma homeye mobo. Na sa nkwasha from di wechi na, omo boa oma oye sade no. There wo so omo nyina bekom. In fact, I had one of them their picture here. Mr. P, remember that picture? Pull it for me and the phone number. May you 11. Mun nyina wo go jail. Kwasiafo, mo jinsa Ghana mrani Ghana. Embra wo Ghana. Embra wo Ghana eye adwuma. Na embra ni ndiwa. Obajinsa Ghana mrani. Until the law grabs you. Until the law eche won sa na bo se sa Ghana embra wo. Boy we inti ubeko jail. Bomfa kwa tiketwa. Me na make achro and it is a promise. Bomfa kwa tiketwa. Ubeko jail. It doesn't matter the ranting you rant. On send the untwi tuche. What you nyina start to obe bre fucking. Untwi text you about abro just onto your mumbro. Abu ofunu ofro ho bema. Wo. Na me what time mo bia. Bova ko tiketwa me what time for you. ETC 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 and infinity sheho. And see that until I see you rot and die in jail. Who didn't power picking why a mistake? You have no idea. Me what time? Me gather evidence. Until this will become as an kasa. Na me gather. Because the day I will strike, it is your end. That's how I do my things. So me come as them now. My Katie off. I make a court because me come as them. No one can hear. Me see you. That is how. It I know just Kevin there. Who can call for them? And then me see me. Opa come as them. Me can was them opa come as them. O come as no one can hear. I will make sure the law works. It me can was no man can hear. I'm running juma whether here or in Ghana. Let the law work. That is how I operate. 37 years, 38 years. Wapempe mututu. And ewia kete otwa ehyehyehye na osoche bra obebre no atro ne konkonsenti bomfa koteketwa obebre fucking me what time o gugu America am yede nyina. I have time for everyone. And with me, I will never go to court or take anybody on and lose. Me yes I didn't be that. If I know I'll take you on today and lose, I won't take you on. I will take you on when I know I will win. The law is the law. The law is the law. It's bova to go and put that video back. Now delete no ends sound crack. Your destiny has been decided. Ubeko jail. Wako delete. Hey, namkazo ya macho man. Macho man okwatiketwa. Sao ye hufo. Wako delete video no. That video was done on the 8th of March. And then when delete a flyer no, the poster no, delete the poster as well. Go and take the poster off. And ko bebia achew with Jimmy. Or you know who you mobo because you rot in jail na man for the bed da. Or you koko minim no boas ni akwara tama yene ye si so na o yere yesoma man ko to yoko gari breye. Boys are bruma ne muatete ne de amawo. O yere boas ni small girl. Wako ware ade tete ade we abetran kran. Peje wabeti. Mesi ebe mmoa wakohyemu na amanfo na woni omunam no omusi weyere so. Sesi ekrampa oda ho wo kra enye dwume so omusi so. Na wo sa akohyemu dia ende omusi so. Bomfa kwateketwa, the law is the law. All right, now let's move on. Me what time, papa. Now, Asama Esinyani said, this is one story we need to take care of. Team. My team said the first show was the 8th of March and also the 27th of March. Show me a new. We're deleting in every page. So, share. Who delete? Keep them there. So, so, Bema. You best so Bema near cat watching. Number jet here and near probe with him. Seattle, Utu Kromayakwa. 27th of March and the 8th of March. These two shows, what could delete? What boredom? Now just say delete link and I show Naira. Whoa, remember our heart attack? Nebe kun wompem. Wakuma yare nebe kun wangasa wompem. Ultiminda, take everything and wakuma bog. Next time, we take a call. Taylor, Kevin, ube tuche ewa dekem. Unimi yon. Bomfa kwa teketwa. Go and put the videos back. The videos you have deleted, go and put it back because all the videos I have done, they are still there. Because I believe in what I have done and it's the truth. Jail. The law is the law. Now, my mention are very important. MP before Abaka Semia, Yenina, I will say, Yajunjun who is a party no good. Make a Ghana for say. Sa MPP way 42 years they will stay in opposition. And as some way, spiritually inclined, physically inclined, politics, politically inclined, they understand what I am saying. The NPP as a political party will stay in opposition for 42 years and over. And they know. And the people who are leading the party, they know the problem. They know. They know, say, they are making no credit.